What is it? Good afternoon or good morning? Good day to everybody of you. Hope you all are doing great. And today I'm not here to basically answer any questions. I'm here to tell you a story. And the story leads to not only something that is inspiring, but also very sad. मैं आज यहाँ पे आया हूँ आपको जिम ओनर की स्टोरी बोलने के लिए एंड एक्सप्लेन टू यू व्हाट अ जिम ओनर इज. थैंक यू मिथुन, थैंक यू सो मच. ऑलराइट, आई बिलीव लुकिंग एट द करंट सिचुएशन, आज जो हमारा देश जिस चीज से झूल रहा है, आई कॉल इट द कोविड कॉन, और जिसके अंदर बहुत बहुत सारे लोग इफेक्ट हुए हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा लोग इफेक्ट हुए हैं इस चीज़ से जिनकी रोजी रोटी चली गई है, इंक्लूडिंग माइन. और जो लोगों को घर में बिठा दिया गया है विद द फैक्ट ऑफ टेलिंग देम कि बॉस इट इज़ एक्सट्रीमली डेंजरस फॉर यू टू गो आउट एंड वी आर हैविंग अ लॉकडाउन एंड बिजनेस हैज़ टू स्टॉप. I do not want to talk about what the business has got to do and what business are we losing out on, but I want to tell you about what a gym owner is. Let me tell you this particular thing, that it is the only business. It is the only business. There are a lot of people who do business with passion. बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो अपना पैशन डाल के अपना बिजनेस करते हैं. फोर्ड ने अपनी गाड़ियां बनाई, फरारी ने अपना ब्रांड बनाया, but that was something to do with just one particular thing, one particular person with one particular passion that he had and he grew that particular thing. जिम एक ऐसा बिजनेस है जहां पे कलेक्टिवली इतने सारे लोग एक ही चीज पे मूव करते हैं, वो है पैशन. कोई बॉडी बिल्डर है, तो कोई पावर लिफ्टर है, कोई फिटनेस के लिए काम कर रहा है, कोई रिटायर हुआ है मेरे जैसा मेन स्ट्रीम को छोड़ के फिटनेस को लाके, बट इवेंचुअली इट्स ऑल अबाउट पैशन. एंड टुडे आज जो एक मात्र सिर्फ जिम ओनर है, मैं उसकी ये कहानी बताने वाला हूं कि वो क्या कर सकता है और वो क्या करता है. So this is something that I'm taking an opportunity to talk on behalf of all the gym owners pan India. ये सारे लोगों के वती मैं ये आपसे बात करने वाला हूं. ये नंबर वन थिंग, जिम एक ऐसी जगह है जहां पे कोई पोल्यूशन नहीं होता है. देयर इज आई वुड से इट्स अ टेम्पल जहां पे लोग अपनी हेल्थ बनाते हैं, जो लोग पॉजिटिव रहते हैं और इंश्योर करते हैं कि एक दूसरे को वो इंस्पायर करें. मैं उस जिम ओनर की बात कर रहा हूं जो शायद 30 लाख या 25 लाख या 10 लाख का इक्विपमेंट लेके जिम बनाता है, इंक्लूडिंग दोज पीपल लाइक गोल्ड्स एंड लाइक एनी टाइम फिटनेस, जो शायद करोड़ों रुपए डाल के अपने जिम्स बनाते हैं. मैं उन सारे लोगों के बारे में बात कर रहा हूं. आप सबको यह लगता होगा कि जिम चलाना एक बहुत ही ईजी चीज है, इट्स अ वेरी लुक्रेटिव थिंग और बहुत आसान है. करना क्या है, डंबल उठाने हैं. मगर द स्टोरी बिहाइंड इट इज दैट बहुत सारे जिम ओनर्स इंक्लूडिंग मी, हमने हमारा घर, हमारी ऑफिसेज, हमारे पर्सनल एसेट्स हमने मॉर्गेज किए होते हैं बैंक के अंदर, हमने गवर्नमेंट के पास से लोन्स लिए होते हैं जिसका हम हफ्ता देते हैं, या कोई ऐसे भी लोग होंगे जो लोग ब्याज पे पैसा लेके दे टेक मनी ऑन इंटरेस्ट एंड दे रन दिस प्लेस जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ वन फैक्ट इज दे हैव पैशन इन देम. हमें लगता है एक जिम, छोटी सी जिम क्या कर सकती है, क्या कर लेती होगी ये चीज के अंदर. एंड आई वुड वांट टू शेयर विथ यू सर्टेन इंफॉर्मेशन दैट आई हैव कलेक्टेड from the internet, and I would want to tell you that what a gym owner can actually do and what he does for the entire economy. Let me take you to this thing that I have prepared. Okay, how do I show it? I show it to you in this way. The gym industry as of now, as per 2017 reports, is of 7,000 crore rupees. This gym owner that you see, this particular gym owner that you see, is the guy who basically gives his everything. He is the guy who possibly gets up at 6 in the morning and closes his shop at 10 in the night. He is one of the most hardworking people that I've ever seen. मुझे ऐसा एक जिम ओनर दिखा दो जिसका दिन सुबह 6 बजे शुरू नहीं होता है और रात को 11 बजे तक खत्म नहीं होता है, क्योंकि उसका जिम इतना टाइम चलता है. He is trying to make get his money from and run his home as well as basically help so many people. Now this gym owner, as I'm talking about all the gym owners in India, we facilitate sales of approximately 2,500 crores of equipment that is sold every year. 2,500 crores of equipment that is sold every year. We facilitate supplements of 9,500 to 10,000 crore of sale every year. Clothing, sports clothing, the total figure is 24,000 crores in 2016 and in 2018 it is 37,000 crore rupees. इसमें मैं समझता हूं कि about 1/3 of it is used by people who go to the gym. Which are the vendors that we take care of on a regular basis? Our advertising costs, radio, press release, Facebook, social media, they all earn from this gym owner. The banks and the people who are NBFCs or who give loans, they earn their interest from the gym owner. Computer hardware and software, stationery and maintenance, and the list of vendors is very, very long. Whom do we employ? We employ trainers who can be either skilled workers or not unskilled workers. We employ physios, we employ admins, we employ accounts people, and we employ the housekeeping staff also. Which other sector of business that we get to is the footwear and the accessory business. The footwear and the accessory business works with 25,000 crore a year, out of which I would say again 1/3 of it goes to the gym industry. To facilitate what? Taxes that go to the government at the rate of 18%. And here we are talking about Fit India. If you look at these numbers, and if in fact it's alarming to understand. Just give me a second, guys. I need to get my thing back in place. There you go. So these gym owners, including me, we facilitate, and I forgot, rentals of 3,000 crores that go in a year. We facilitate livelihood. We facilitate the economy by more than 50,000 crore rupees every single year. That includes the gym owner who possibly makes a gym for 10 lakh rupees, and that includes even the gym owner who spends 5 to 6 crores or 7 crore rupees to make a gym. Show me one particular gym owner who is basically making money as of date right now. And the irony of the situation is that I'm talking about, I'm sorry, I mean all well for you, no, with all due respect, all the people that have come in because of the gym, people like, I'm talking about the Tiger Shroffs, the Hrithik Roshans, the Salman Khans, everybody who has transformed their life, Sanjay Dutt's, you name it, their list is plenty. These guys made their transformation through that gym they went to, that gym owner placed. They changed their lives and they're inspiring millions of people through that gym that they have started at. It is their alma mater. People have entered, Hrithik Roshan has entered into the fitness industry, Tiger Shroff has entered the fitness industry, but they all started at a gym that a gym owner had made. With all his heart, with all his grit, and he gave it everything. It's so sad to understand this. None of these people, I'm not asking you to tell the government that gym shuru kar do. No, that is not what I'm trying to tell you. But, जो government ने आज stimulus निकाला है, जो government ने आज package निकाला है, कभी इस industry के बारे में सोचा है? I'm talking to all those equipment manufacturers out there who are basically riding a high horse, saying that these are the places that we are going to be, we choose our customers, we go to expos. आप मुझे बताएं कि आज तक आपके यहाँ पे जो कस्टमर आता है आपके जिम के ऊपर, वो उसको आप कैसे ट्रीट करते हैं, और जो एक्सपो पे जाता है या कहीं भी जाता है उसको कैसे ट्रीटमेंट मिलता है. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल दोस पीपल. द इक्विपमेंट इंडस्ट्री रन्स बिकॉज ऑफ दैट जिम ओनर. The fitness industry runs because of that gym owner. All the athletes that were ever made, including Ronnie Coleman, they went to a gym that was made out of passion and out of love. There was no ulterior motive behind it. And this is a time where these people who have found their calling, who make their crores of rupees, I'm talking to all the cricketers, I'm talking to all the footballers, I'm talking to each and every actor or actress out there who's listening to this video, to at least speak a word. It is something to do with your alma mater, the place where you started, the place where you're running your online business from. That's the place where you learned your things from. No, you never came up and thought about this fact that this is what I know. No, it was taught to you. You went to a gym, there was your mentor who taught you things, there was a trainer who gave his heart and soul to you. And most of you guys have not paid the gym membership fees also. I'm asking you, I'm begging you to please come on your social media platforms. I'm asking those equipment manufacturers to come on these social media platforms. I'm asking those people who earn crores of rupees on their supplements and stuff like that to come on their social media platforms and tell this government that there is one section of business that needs their attention, that needs their care. You cannot run a Fit India movement. I'm talking to my dear Prime Minister whom I voted for, and when he was the Chief Minister of Gujarat as well as for when he went for being the Prime Minister of India, that this message goes to him that you have started this amazing platform of Fit India, but you are actually corroding and you are destroying the basic fundamental of Fit India movement. लोग भाग के ताकतवर नहीं होते हैं. लोग स्विम करके, yes, उसके अलग अलग तरीके होते हैं अपने फिटनेस अचीव करने के लिए, but the gym plays an integral part for a lot of things. For all those people who have benefited from the gym, for all those people who have started going to a gym, changed their lives. I've seen drug addicts, I've seen people with depression, I have people with life-threatening diseases including cancer and autoimmune diseases and all these things. I request all those people to please come on your social media platform and talk about your alma mater. I want you guys to come on your social media platform and tell people what the gym means to you. It is something that is very scary. I've been talking to so many gym owners. They call me up and they tell me that my landlord is asking me, भाई मेरा मकान मालिक कह रहा है कि भाई आप रेंट दीजिए. ये हम कहाँ से रेंट दे पाएंगे? हम कहाँ से एम्प्लॉइज को सैलरी दे पाएंगे? मैं यहाँ गुजरात की बात कर रहा हूँ. MGVCL ने हमको ये कहा गया था कि जून तक आपको पैसा नहीं देना है, आपको बिल ही नहीं आएगा, ऑब्वियसली, क्योंकि हमारा जिम चल नहीं रहा है. They have given us bill on pro rata basis. How is this industry going to survive? If we all gym owners, trust me on this when I'm making the statement, if we all gym owners decide to shut shop pan-India, I'm sorry for the phone in the middle. If we all gym owners decide to shut shop pan-India, trust me on this, all the Nikes, all the Under Armours, all your GNCs, all your Muscle Tech, all these companies, all your Life Fitness and your Jerais and whoever those people are, will see a very bad future, dude. And this is going to be right in your face. None of you people who have earned your millions through these gyms are talking about us. And that is very, very sad. You need to get up, get a heart, and talk about all those brave hearts who have given their everything, who have given their homes, who have given their privacy, who have given their homes, who are paying interest, who are taking care of their trainers, and doing a lot of good for the country and for the people in general. I want you guys to all stand up to this, share this damn video, let it reach to all those people who have started their careers through that gyms. Nobody got their six packs and nobody got their muscles by staying at home and bloody doing their acting or by playing cricket. No, they had to go to a gym. Now they have come to a level that possibly they can own their own gym. With all due respect, sir, there was a time when you started going to a gym which was made by a gym owner who had mortgaged his home, who was sacrificing his family life, and who was there giving you service with a smiling face just to keep you healthy. So this is what I want to ask you. I want you all, whoever is seeing this video, share this video as much as possible. Let it reach to those people who are remaining absolutely silent, who are not talking about their alma mater, who are not talking about where they came from, how they remain fit. Talk to them. Let the world know what you mean and what they mean to you. The gym owners, I mean to say. So I feel that it's actually a very sad platform to actually discuss this particular thing. But it's time, and it's rather high time, that you guys get together and support the place where you made your muscle, where you made your strength, where you got your determination from, where you got your confidence from, at whose cost. Once this lockdown gets over, everybody is going to return back to the gyms to work out at. Nobody is going to ask us, can we pay you a little bit extra to pay your rent? Can we tip your trainer so that he has not been paid for the last 2 months, gets his a little bit extra to run his home? Nothing like that is going to happen. The government says we've got moratorium. I can show you text messages from my bank right now that to maintain a good CIBIL score, you need to start paying in from June. How are we going to pay from June? What are we going to do? Sell our kidneys? So it's just sad. If you could just hear it out, voice this opinion. I believe this opinion and this voice is coming from every single gym owner's heart and soul. We are all worried of the fact, what are we going to do in the near future? How are we going to even remain alive? And trust me when I say this particular thing, that if you guys kill the gym industry, a lot of industries are going to suffer a lot. I'm talking to Nike out here. I'm talking to Under Armour out here. I'm talking to all you supplement companies that sponsors lakhs of rupees on your expos to market for yourself. This is the time where you need to market. This is the time where you need to stand up for the place where you get your damn money from. This is the time where all these athletes who basically running those online coaches, who become online coaches that are earning money out of this right now, you have to stand up for your gym and talk about it. You have got to talk about this family together. Because as I again repeat this is the only business where passion is collectively seen in so many people. I believe my demand is not unjustified. It is not asking too much from you. But I really ask you that please, for heaven's sake, talk about your alma mater. Ask the government to support us. Just not me or anybody else. I'm talking about all the gym owners in India. We're going through very difficult times and we need your support, we need your love, and we need your voice. So to all the equipment manufacturers, to all the supplement owners, to all the guys who sell fitness apparel and fitness footwear and accessories, please come forth. And also to all the guys who made their livelihood today starting from that gym by having a good body and appearing on your screen. I'm not taking your hard work away, please don't mistake me there. But I want you to talk about your alma mater is a gym that you started training at. We need you at this time, and I expect you that your love and support will always be there. God bless you all. Take care of yourself. God bless.